My video is about removing a pop-up scam related to the site Linortuf.xyz. Linortuf.xyz is indeed a dangerous site that may attack Google Chrome and other browsers. It tells you to actually download some potentially unwanted software in order to make you really scared about the condition of your computer. These pop-ups by Linortuf.xyz are absolutely fake. So don't tolerate and don't trust them. Just leave this deceptive page. Also, I recommend you to research your system with Combo Cleaner. Combo Cleaner can be found on the website combocleaner.com. So download the software, install the application, and then once it gets successfully installed, start carefully researching the system in order to detect and then eliminate all other types of infections which still could possibly stealthily remain on your computer. So use Combo Cleaner to get your system fixed. So after you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner, the software will be initially in the trial mode. And only quick scan option is available in the trial mode. The full mode includes full system scan and custom scan, but as I said, in the trial version only quick scan option is available. So you need to click on the start scan button, and most likely the application will first of all update its anti-malware database. And by the way, this is a very essential step, so do not skip it. Do not cancel the update procedure, and then the scanning will begin. It may take some time, of course. At the end of the scanning, you will see the full summary of all the threats that were revealed by Combo Cleaner during the scan. Some threats may be related to the browser-related issues. Some other threats may be associated with more serious threats such as ransomware, adware, or other type of viruses on the web. Of course, you can remove certain threats manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium license. This is the best way to keep all your files protected and to keep your entire computer free of any other possibly hidden threats.